Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can attach a file on your AOL mail. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open AOL mail on your browser and log into your account. After you do so, click on Compose. Then you can see the attach icon on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on Attach and click on Attach Files from Recent Emails, or if you want to attach files from your own computer, you can click on Attach Files from Computer. Now, let's suppose I want to add these visas over here. I'll just go ahead and select it and click Open. And I'm going to write down the email address of the person which I want to send to. After I do that, I will write subjects like Visa. You can see my signature is turned on. After that, I'm going to write a message like, "This is my visa, please forward it to the institution." So after I write this, you can see that there is a send button over here. Just go ahead and click send. And there you go. You have attached the file and send it to the person via AOL mail. You just need to go to Compose, go to Attach, click on Attach Files from Computer, select your file which you want to send and click on Open. Then you must write down to whom you want to send the email. So go ahead and write it down. Write down the subject, write down some notes and click Send. After you do so, the file has been attached and will be sent to the person. I hope this video about how you can add a file or attach a file on AOL mail was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.